Gonna try and walk into the neighbor's yard.
Alright, Chris.
Hey, Dean.
No elbows, no hitting below the belt, no biting ears off. Touch gloves, want a clean fight, let's go.
Can't beat him, eat him.
Ooh. That's kind of hard.
I know.
No defense in this fight.
There's not, dude.
Come on, ref. Don't be letting them do that chicken wing. Hey, let it ride. Let it ride. Just watching the haymakers fly.
We should have checked the clock.
It's been 54 seconds. Man.
Work this way, fellas.
Yeah, come on. This way, this way, this way. Yeah, you go right into the tree.
Let's get it on.
That's one down.
He's tired too, Sean. Don't let him fool you. Look at him breathing. Get him in the belly.
Hey! Hey! Bullshit!
What? What'd she say? It's okay.
She's actually getting worried.
No, it's okay, sweetheart.
You're getting mad?
No, you don't get mad. They're just playing.
Honey. Does that really count?
That's two!
No one's keeping score.
That's it. He got it. He got it.
Fatigue makes quitters.
It's over, man.
It's over?
It's over. 2 minutes.
Oh, God. I told you to be
Are
quiet,
you
guys.
fucking kidding me?
No. Hey, trust me, you get
He
tired.
fell twice.
Hey, Libby,
Yeah,
you're
but-
tired.
Him blow the belt. No noogies.
No noogies.
I don't give a fuck. No noogies.
Watch your
Get it out
language.
right now. Get it out there right now. Touch gloves. Come out swinging.
Ty, get him, Ty. Get him. Oh, oh no. Work the jab. Work the jab. Get him.
Tom looks like Keith Jardine.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, turn back, Ty. Go to the other side. Yeah, get over there. Yeah. Oh.
Maybe.
Get him.
Keep your dukes up.
Yeah, put your hand on your toe.
There you go.
Oh.
Keep it in front of you.
What's that, windmill?
There you go. Now they're really settling in there.
Yeah. The fatigue will set in about 1 minute. Oh, that's a good swing. Get him. Get him. Oh, oh. Yeah. I like that windmill punch I got.
We should have been ready for a bloody nose.
Don't give up, Ty.
We brought a towel.
Oh, good.
Oh, yeah.
Work this way, fellas.
Get him, Brian. Get him, Ty.
Pretty fucking hot, huh, Colin? Long sleeve shirt.
I know. What are you thinking? Oh. 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 Imagine all Kirby gave you time. Get him. Get him, bro. No time, man. Let's go punch him in the head. What are you waiting for, Dustin?
Thought we died?
Yeah? You tapping? Pussy?
Hey, hey. No one saw. Hey, hey. Knock that shit off. Knock it off.
Don't check?
Hey.
Come on, Tom.
She brought Kristen with the fight.
You good, Todd?
That's what I get for smoking.
Are you good?
You done, Todd? Just call it done if you can't breathe, man. Okay.
5, 6,
Good job.
7. Hey, it's over.